Hello everyone, today we're gonna do next video about auxiliary heater for my truck because last time when I was on the snow and it was cold weather I thought it's working, but my auxiliary heater not working, and I would like to show you the heater control unit. It's over here. You can see sometimes if it's not starting to work, it shows here the error code. My error code was no flame detected, and I never have deal with this stuff, and I thinking why it's not detected. Maybe something wrong with the heater, and the heater is located under the sleeping bed. As you can see, it's located here. It's called airtronic or something. Hot air should come in from here, but when I check it here, only cold air come, and after sometimes it show the error. They show code that there is no flame, and I find out this is a fuel pump which connected to the fuel tank with hose, goes inside the fuel tank. Looks like the pump doesn't work. When I remove the pump and I connect it to the pin, get some jump, it doesn't make any noise. Usually if it's working, it's making like clapping noise, like turning off, turning on. It's not just a regular pump, it's a mirroring pump, and it doesn't work. And I bought another one, and I wanted to install it and see if it's gonna work. If you try to use a rubber hose, usually they have a plastic one, old one, and it's old one, it's not gonna work because it's dry over time, and when you can try to put it back, it starts to cracking. And I find some different wires which I'm going to do it, because if I'm gonna put just rubber one from the windshield wipers for windshield washers, it's not gonna work. It needs to be plastic. It should be gasoline resistant, and in this case it's for diesel resistance. We'll try to put it this one in and connect it. What I'm going to do right now, I'm gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it and connect it here. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. And we're gonna connect it here. See, this came very easily. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna preheat it a little bit. Maybe it's gonna, I hope it's gonna shrink a little bit. It's gonna hold, I'm not sure. Cut once here, one more here. Okay, right now we're going outside and I explain how to connect it and see how it's gonna work. Let's go outside. Okay, right now we're gonna connect our new fuel pump. It goes over here. and reconnecting this one, and now I'm gonna put this one back, and electrical goes here. Now we're gonna connect this hose over here, and I think that's it when you connect everything. But when you turn on the heater, after maybe, I don't know, 15-30 seconds, you can hear it start clicking here. If it's not clicking, it's not working. And right now I'm gonna turn the heater and see if it's gonna start clicking here. Okay, I'm going inside. Okay, what I did, I connected for the rubber hose, because this plastic one is not shrinking. I cannot connect it. I connected the rubber hose, and it's working. Right now the pump start clicking and start putting some fuel, and most likely if you have a code which shows no flame, it's mean your fuel pump not pumping the fuel in a system, and is system not working. And I hope this videos help you, and if you have a code which shows on your auxiliary heater, it show no flame, most likely your fuel pump is not working and you should replace it. You can buy it on eBay for about 30 bucks, maybe cheaper. I paid more a little bit. I thought they're gonna send me original, but original was only on the picture, but they sent me aftermarket, but it's still working. And I don't know what I should do with this guy who sent me the wrong one, but it's okay, it's still working. I hope video helps you. Until next time, see you.